ผู้ปกครองค่ะให้โอวาทกับนักเรียนนะคะ
Well, welcome everybody. Thank you very much for coming today. It's always very nice when we get the parent community coming to the school to see what their students are doing, especially for occasions like this one. I must say that all the children look very magnificent in their gowns, magnificent and cute at the same time. It's really nice. So they've had, most of them, 3 years at this school in kindergarten, and I can see that this group has a very strong foundation of knowledge and skills and social abilities that they need when they go through kindergarten, ready for primary school. This group, I've been watching them and they seem to be a very happy and confident group of students with now a good basis in not only Thai studies but also in English language, which is obviously one of the key reasons that you send your children to the school. We want to be sure that from a very early age they're getting the basic skills that they need to be very, very good English speakers into the future. And I'll talk about the future a little bit in a moment. Next year for you children, it's P1 at school here, and things are going to change a little bit for you. Up until now, you've always had at least 2 teachers in the classroom with you, your Thai teacher, an assistant, and then sometimes your foreign teacher as well. Next year, you're going to be in classes upstairs in Reps 1. You're going to have just your homeroom teacher or your English teacher with you in the class at one time. And this means you have to show a little bit more responsibility and learn how to look after yourselves and learn how to deal with each other so that you don't have any problems when you're at school. Don't worry though, because your teachers in P1 are still very friendly and loving people, just like your K3 teachers, and they will look after you very well. And we hope that you'll enjoy P1 next year. I think everybody feels that you're ready to go. Okay, so just to get back to the point of the school here, what are we trying to do? It's probably a very good time, even though your children are only at this stage moving to P1, to talk a little bit about what we offer for your students in the future. I think everybody is aware that the ASEAN community is growing in importance in this area, and with the advent of the ASEAN Free Trade Agreement in 2015, for which the language of the community is, of course, English. Students now can't see English as an option anymore. English is a fundamental skill that all students will have to have in the future. If you don't speak English, your ability to get jobs, even to get into university, will be limited. And this is why we feel the decision you're making and the work that we're putting into this school is absolutely vital for these young faces in front of you. We have lots of things in place. I think you're aware that our school goes up until Matthew 5 now. Next year, we will have our first year of Matthew 6 students. And that will make us a full school all the way from nursery to M6. And a lot of the building blocks for your children's education have been put in place as we've gone along. As they go through primary school, we'll continue to focus on the strong development of not only Thai language and knowledge, but also developing their English language, communication skills and writing skills, so that they can take Cambridge ESOL exams. We are actually now a Cambridge ESOL testing centre that's backed by Cambridge University in the UK, but it's recognised worldwide in over 140 countries. Those exams that the students can take are starters, movers, flyers, KET and PET, and that will, as your children grow, continue to prove the development in their English. After that, we have, and also in association with Cambridge University, we are now a Cambridge International School, which allows us to offer IGCSE, which is an internationally accepted exam which tests your students' ability not only in English, but also maths in English, science in English, business in English, environmental management, and many other subjects, all that they can learn in English in this school. And these skills and these qualifications will give your children a great range of choices when it comes to going to university down the line. Again, I know it's a long way off, but I just want you to be aware that these are things that we're thinking of now and are already in place for the future of your kids. So, not to go on too much, I really appreciate everybody's support over the last few years whilst your children have been in kindergarten. We really like to try and work closely with the parents at this school. The reason that we do that is that bilingual education is very, very difficult for students. And we need to give them a lot of support as teachers, as a school, and we need, vitally, we absolutely need the help of the parents to help their students through what is actually a tough form of education, but also very rewarding. So, as time goes by through primary, please take the advantage to come to see your teachers, get to know your teachers at the school, your children's teachers. Come to every event where we ask you to come and talk to your teachers to find out how your children are going. We offer these opportunities every year. We don't want you to lose touch with the school as your children get bigger. Please remain a big part of their lives at school and make sure you come here regularly to talk to the staff here. Okay, I think I've talked enough. Yeah? Okay. It's great to see you here. There's obviously going to be a great opportunity now for more photographs. And I wish everybody very good luck. All of you K3s, very good luck in P1 next year. Thanks very much.